All right, moment of truth. That opens. Trunk opens. Nice. Close that. Close that. And now I just gotta put the bolts back on. Let's see if the lights turn on. I think the key has to be on for that. But yeah, let's see. Let's start the car up real quick and see what's going on. Oh yeah, we got lights. Nice. The dims. Let's see. The modes work. Everything's good. Let's get it. All right, guys. So that was it for that switch. Simple, easy fix. And we still have an extra headlight switch. So that's a good thing. Always have extra parts. But I'm glad I was able to fix the issue with the trunk. It was driving me nuts. So with that being said, keep it one rule on the cars and let's get it.